The 4th-ranked product is Sunseeker X7 Wireless Robot Lawnmower 0.75 acre 32,000 SQ. Fort. With Smart App Control, Vision AI System and RTK. Path Planning. Adaptive Floating Cut Height up to 4 inches. For medium to large yards. Review Score 4.1. Review Count 25 Ratings. Price $2,399.99. The 3rd-ranked product is Segway Navimo H800 NVF Robot Lawnmower Perimeter Wire-Free 0.20 acre RTK Plus Vision Robotic Lawnmower. Virtual Boundary. Systematic Mowing. App Control. Anti-Theft. 54 decibels. AA. Quiet. Multi-zone management. Review Score 4.2. Review Count 66 Ratings. Price $1,899.00. The 2nd-ranked product is Segway Navimo i105N Robot Lawnmower Perimeter Wire-Free 1/8 acre RTK Plus Vision Robotic Lawnmower. AI-assisted mapping. Virtual boundary. App control. 58 decibels. AA. Quiet. Multi-zone management. Review score. 4.2. Review count. 586 ratings. Price. $999.00. The 1st-ranked product is Robot Lawnmower No Wire 0.15 acre. Full Band RTK Plus 4i Vision Robotic Lawnmower. Automatic mapping. 20 multi-zone management. Precise obstacle avoidance. Intelligent path planning. ANTHBOT Genie 600. Review score. 4.8. Review count. 56 ratings. Price. $999.00.